Can you answer surveys? Then if you can, no problem. You can make up to $100 answering surveys. This particular website I'm about to share with you will pay you in real cash. I mean in real dollars. No points, no tokens like other survey website. This is a legit website that has a great rating on Trustpilot. So guys, without wasting much of our time, if you know that you can answer surveys or you like to answer surveys, this is the best website that you can share your opinion on and get paid in real cash. And their payment method, they have about 4 payment methods which I'll be sharing with you in this video. So stick with me to the end of this video where I show you what this particular website is all about. Welcome back, guys. So this particular website I want to show you guys will actually pay you to simply do simple surveys, simply share your opinion. And believe you me, this website is not the one that will pay you points, or the ones that will pay you tokens, or the one that will pay you credits. You understand? This particular website, you'll be seeing your money in dollars, like you'll be able to earn in dollars. Without wasting much of our time, let's just take a look at what this particular website is saying, because already Trustpilot has rated it for over 4.1 star rating, and they are seen as a great company by Trustpilot. Also, Trustpilot said they are verified, like they are well verified company. So without wasting much of our time, let's just see what this particular website is all about. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. So here it says, earn makes it simple to earn real money online, taking surveys. Share your honest opinion and get paid in cash. No points, token or pretend box. Here's also, they said, earn online surveys. There are hundreds of ways where you can earn surveys online. Here it says earn cash, not point, as they have said earlier that you are not going to be seeing points or whatever on your account. You'll be seeing the real money on your account. Fast digital payment. Here they said that you can choose from the 4 payment method they have, and do not worry, if you are in Nigeria, there are I think about 4 ways or 3 ways that will work for you if you are in Nigeria. It said work on any device. Opportunities available for all devices. So it doesn't matter whether you are using a mobile phone or you're using a laptop. This particular website works on both um devices. So here's a simple breakdown of how the website works. Complete simple online surveys. Businesses and researchers are always in need of your opinion to help them make decisions and understand how people feel about their product and services. Dozens of survey topics available. No payment required on your part, just your honest opinion. Hundreds of surveys available for any devices. So it doesn't matter the type of device you're using, there is always a survey available for you. And as for the big question, the payment method, this is actually the various payment method you can use to receive your payment. It says when you're ready to redeem your earnings, payment is a snap. So you can use PayPal. Now, if you're interested in opening a working PayPal account that works in Nigeria, please reach out to me, or kindly reach out to me to create the account for you. It is not free. Then Venmo, if you have a Venmo account, you can use it here. Then gift card, if you're in Nigeria as well, you can use gift cards, different gift card. You have Amazon gift card, you have dollar gift card. You have a lot of gift cards that you can use. Then they have bank transfer. Bank transfer, I wouldn't advise it for Nigerians. So if you're in Nigeria, please avoid bank transfer on this particular website. Ready to start earning? Create a free account in a minute or two and you'll be on your way to your first payment in no time. So before then, let's check the FAQ section just in case you have any questions that you wish to get answers to. Now, the thing is, people are earning on this particular website. As you can see, it says get paid to take surveys, earn up to $25 per survey, cash out the same day. So there's little to no limit on this particular website, although there is, I think, $5 or $10, withdrawal limit that you can do on this website. And what is earnhouse? Earnhouse is the easiest way to get paid in cash for sharing your opinion. It's a free account. Tell us how you'd like to receive payment and be given access to opportunities to earn money taking paid online surveys. Once you have earned enough to cash out, we will send you payment as quickly as possible. That's it. So is this real? Do you really pay people just for taking surveys? Just in case you have a questions that looks like this, it says yes, paid online surveys are real and we will connect you with them and pay you for your time completing those surveys. Does any of these cost money? Earnout is completely free to sign up and participate in. We will never ask for payment. Market research surveys are completely free. All that is required of you is your careful attention when answering the questions. So now they will not ask you to pay any money. So do not answer any website that is asking you to pay money just to start up survey. And you say, where do these paid surveys come from? Market research. In case you have a question or you are wondering, these paid surveys, where do they actually come from? Market research companies sponsor these surveys to help businesses better understand their customers and what they think. So businesses actually pay people to hear their opinion, like what they think about a particular product. But like I've said on this particular street, that you should please, if you're answering a survey question, please leave your options open. You understand? If they give you options, maybe what do you share more opinions on in your house? Are you the main opinion decision maker in your house? You click yes. The things that you can decide on, pick as many as you can. I'm not saying pick all, but as many as you can. Which payment methods are available? Currently we offer digital payments using Venmo, PayPal and Hack Bank Transfer. You can also choose from over 100 digital gift cards. Wow, so they have over 100 digital gift cards that you can choose from. You understand? Whichever gift card you decide to choose from, you can choose Netflix gift card, you can choose Amazon gift card, you can choose PayPal gift card. Any gift card you decide to choose from this particular website will actually redeem your cash into that gift card. How much money can I earn? The more time you spend taking surveys, the more you can earn. Paid online surveys can earn you enough to put some extra spending money in your pocket. Says, what about taxes? If you earn more than $600 in a given calendar year, we are legally required to supply you with a 1099. If you approach this limit within a calendar year, we will be in touch to collect the information. So if you're on this particular website, there's an information that if you reach a certain high rate of money, that they had to take those information, especially about taxes. Abroad they do not joke with their tax and all of that. Then you have, why do I have to verify my identity? You need to verify your identity on this website as well. Can I use an email address to sign up? Of course, yes, every account will use an email address, and there are just a lot of them. Will I get any text message when you create your account or sign in using your phone number? We'll send you a one-time code you need to type in to confirm. That is the procedure of signing up. Then what information do I need to provide to open an account? We require an email address or mobile phone number, first, last name, gender, mailing address and your date of birth. Basically, until you sign it up, after signing up, then you now come and fill in your choices, what you can take surveys on and all of that. So guys, here is all you need to know. Just come to this FAQ section. I cannot read everything, it is much. So this particular website, I've actually given you a detailed analysis of their website. It's like they know their game. They know their game. So they've given you a details about their website in case you have any questions and you do what you want to ask them. So let's just head straight and see what the sign up website looks like. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like this video and share. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So what we just be doing here is we need to go back and click on this place that it says start earning. So the name of this website is called nhouse.com. nhouse.com. Let's spell it as EARN, then house, not the normal house, but HAUS. That is the house that the N house is spelled as. Guys, please, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Feel free to sign up and let me know what you think in the comment section, what this website is about. Let me know if you've signed up or if you like it, and also let me know if you want me to create more videos about getting paid with surveys. So I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.